Yo, what is up, EAE fam? It's your boy AB back with another video. Hey, I had to pull over real quick so that I could stop and talk to you. My day has been kind of all over the place, but I wanted to bring you along because we're getting ready to close in on GapFest, so I got to finish getting some stuff done to the car. One of the things I'm getting ready to do, and we'll pull this out and talk more about it, I'm getting ready to put a pro ceramic wax on the car. So I'm using Ethos on it. It comes with the applicator. Link in the description below for if you want to get yours on Amazon. Shout out to Catfish Corner on YouTube, aka Master Detailers, all one word, in Instagram. Link in the description. He's dropped some gems in previous videos pertaining to, let me let the window up. I don't know if I got a lot of back noise, so forgive me. A lot of gems on using different products to do different things, and as he would say, to wipe on your car. So whether that's to, you know, we're talking swirl removal, paint correction, if we're talking maybe cleaning your headlights or something for, you know, doing stuff for ceramic coating for the entire car, all that stuff. So, or just basic knowledge on car washing, the do's and don'ts. He drops a lot of gems in that Sunday live. Goes live at 8 p.m. Central Time. So that's 9 p.m. Eastern Time. And then whatever your time zone is after that. So, but yeah, I'm getting ready to go do that. I got a few other things I need to do as well. So I'm going to go run in. I need to actually clay the car. I've got a clay bar, but I don't want to use that. I actually want to use a clay mitt. So I'm going to go grab a clay mitt. I believe a synthetic clay mitt, and see what we can do from there. So let me get going so I don't let it get too late. And because I need to, I'm gonna try to buy out the stall or rent out the stall for the car wash stall, that is, for about an hour so I can actually record. So, but let's get to it. Let me go grab the other gear. I've got other stuff in the trunk, but let's get to it. Let's go. All right, what's up, guys? We have made it to the car wash. They've allowed me to set up right here to block this off. We're gonna block off some time for us to sit, and we're gonna wash the car. The car's actually been washed well. I'm gonna rinse it pretty good. Got some bugs the other day. So we're gonna rinse that off and then clay it with the soap. And then we're going to dry that off, and then we should be good. So that's pretty much how that's going to go. So again, I'm going to show you guys how to apply the Ethos. Let me pull that out right now. All right, so here's the Ethos here. Let me pull this out. Here is the Ethos ceramic wax. That's going to go on last. It comes with an applicator. I mentioned before, it is in the description below, the link for the Amazon affiliate link. So if you want to get you a bottle, we'll go from there. But we're going to see how well this, because right now, of course, it's sticking. So there's a good view of, there's a little bit of a slide, but we'll see what's going to happen after that. So let's see. We're going to start washing. Like I said, we're going to rinse really well. We're going to go over it with the soapy water, which is probably going to be pretty warm. Then we're going to clay with this after we get our soap on. We're not using a brush, we're not using microfiber washcloth, anything like that. We're just going to clay and rinse as we go. So All right, so they don't have a foam gun, so I am going to just set it for the soap that they have, which is pretty good. Stop this for now. Which is pretty good, and that's just going to come right out of the brush. Remember, again, I'm not using the brush, but I do rinse that off beforehand just to knock out any dirt that could be stuck. And then we will use the clay bar next. So let me get that done and tap back in just a moment.
Those L's I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, vacay, and stay in B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign. I don't need that energy around me. I just need sun, you're so cloudy. I wake up good, you're so grouchy. Please get from around me. When the truth don't.
Alright guys, so the car is dried off. See, we got the static set up right here. So while I am laying down the ceramic coating, I'm just going to follow around with the setup. So again, we're using this applicator. We're using Ethos here. So we're going to shake well, spread thin coating across the surface, let it dry for about 15-20 minutes until the haze appears, and then buff residue with clean microfiber. GapFest has already let me know that just go ahead and go around the car. By the time you finish hitting each panel, you should be able to come back and go over with a clean microfiber towel. Forgive the noise, I am at a car wash, I do have it secured. And that was per the owner. So shout out to them for allowing me to do this, to bring you this content.